Okay, so this is a great site for blogging. It's known as KIDBLOG.org, and I put in my information here, and I'm just going to log in and take you to show you what it's like. Okay, up here we have, I'm just going to resize this a little bit to give you a little bit more space here. This is basically the dashboard layout for the site. Here you can have recent comments of students who've commented about something, recently published posts over here. You can also get those same numbers of posts and comments here. Here you could have pending posts and those waiting. And this shows you which posts you have approved if you have that setting set for that, and how many things that you have in draft form. Now the great thing about this is that you can actually go to class blogs and you can create a whole slew of blogs for your students. Very easy to do. When I go to my posts, it shows me the posts in which I've created. And if I want to do a new post, obviously I just click on new post and we go here. So let's just go ahead and create a new post. All right, I'm just going to say new post, and that's going to show up as my title. And within my text area, I'm going to say I am grateful for each day I teach. I think we all should be grateful about those things. We have opportunity here. And I'm just going to slide this over a little bit so you can see that. And then I'm going to hit publish. And when I publish it, there it is. Sorry about that. That's my tweet deck coming on. It's just that simple. Over here, these are the recent posts that I have created. And if I want to go back to what's in my dashboard, I could go here. All right, so that's write a new post. I could review the posts of my students simply by looking at the post here, right? And if you notice, I could edit a post, I could trash a post, I could preview a post, right? These are all posts that I or another student has made. And if you notice here, I have Azafudo here. It says edit, unapprove. I could unapprove it. I could put it in the trash, or I could look at it. And it also shows me how many comments have been made on that particular post. I could also look at a specific author. So you want to take a look at your students. I just click on that and I hit filter, and it will show me that individual's posts. Pretty neat. If I want to do a bulk action, I can move it all to trash and the like. And I'm just going to go back to all authors here. And if I want to do an action, I could choose that, and I could move it to the trash. If I want to, I could look at specific dates in which information was put in, and go from there. So the next piece is comments. If I want to take a look at the author's comments, I could look at everyone's comments right here. It's pretty neat, pretty cool to go there. And I could also decide to take a look at a specific person's comments by filtering that. Very simple and easy. Again, same way. And again, here's where I can approve, unapprove. I can approve it, or I can move it to trash. And finally, we go to users. And within users here, I can delete a user, right? Or I could add a user to this particular class simply by clicking, and I would add the username. And since I was a fan of Wonder Woman growing up, I think all little boys were, uh, I'm going to use that, and I'm going to make my password super. And the role, of course, is a student at this point. This is going to be made for a student, right? But I could make it a guest. I could say Wonder Woman's going to be my guest. I could make the person an administrator, a teacher, a moderator, right? So I'll just keep it a student and it's class membership in Dr. Robertson's class. Or I could make it another class, right? So I'm going to hide that. I'm going to continue. And I just add the user. And now Wonder Woman has been added. And when I go back to my list of users, there's Wonder Woman. and I could give one woman her password and she could go. I could also create a new class if I choose to. Everything is very simple. Create it, add the class, and we go from there. So I'm just going to go back here, and that's it.